bracelet mode, so I decided to challenge myself in this video to see how many bracelets I could make within 20 minutes. And we're going to be using only the beads from the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition for the month of February. Thank you to Potomac Beads. More on that box later. But here are all the beads that I'm going to be working with. And of course, we're going to need some beading wire or some elastic. I'm going to be able to choose one or the other. Then I have the jump rings and some crimps and of course our clasps. So we're going to be, that's the only items that I'm going to be bringing in from my stash. Other than that, it's going to be only beads. You're probably wondering where I got the 20 minutes from. Well, it's because I'm a very slow beader. So I decided to challenge myself and put on the pressure and see how many bracelets I can pump out within 20 minutes. Because usually it takes me forever to make a bracelet, necklace, etc. So this time I'm going to be challenging myself, which I'm a little nervous because I'm afraid that they're just going to come out looking all crazy, but we're going to give it the best shot. And like I said, stay tuned till the end of the video because I am going to tell you what I'm going to be doing with these bracelets. So without further ado, let's get this challenge going and get that timer started. So like I said, I'm really slow at creating jewelry. So that is the reason why I'm giving myself this challenge, because I want to see how many bracelets I get through. Might just speed up things because maybe you don't want to sit here and watch me struggle through 20 minutes of bracelets. These are the beads that we have to work with. This is what Potomac Beads sent us. Thank you again so much to Potomac Beads. I have two options. I have elastic cord, or I can use the beading wire from Potomac Beads. So I have my tools that I need. Oops. Here are the tools. I have my bent nose pliers, my cutters, my flat nose pliers, and then I have my crimping tool here. This one is from Softflex. This one crimps into beautiful little beads, but you have to, if you use a brand that is not Softflex crimps, then you have to make sure that you have 3 wires instead of 2 put into. I'll show you in a minute, or you'll see it as I'm flashing through here. All right, so without further ado, let's get this challenge going. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm nervous. So while you watch me stumble through trying to make these bracelets as fast as I can, I have some fun bracelet trivia to share with you. And I pulled these from the internet and I thought they was pretty interesting, so I wanted to share. Did you know bracelets have been worn by cultures around the world for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Sumerians in Mesopotamia, and the Chinese? These early bracelets were made from materials like bones, stones, and woods to serve spiritual and religious purposes, often as protection against evil spirits or to denote status and wealth. Another interesting fact is that charm bracelets have a long history that dates back to the Neolithic era, when people carried charms or amulets to ward off evil spirits or bad luck. In ancient Egypt, charms were used for identification and as symbols of faith and luck. It was during the Victorian era that charm bracelets became a fashion statement. Queen Victoria herself wore these bracelets adorned with lockets containing family portraits or locks of hair, and now bracelets in the modern era. In recent years, bracelets have taken on new meaning and uses. For instance, the Live Strong wristbands introduced in 2004 to raise cancer awareness sparked a trend for silicone rubber bracelets in various colors to support countless causes and messages. This trend highlighted how simple bracelet designs could be used for fundraising, awareness, campaigns, and personal expression, merging fashion with philanthropy and activism. And one interesting thing that I discovered without having to look on the internet, funny enough, is that nowadays they are making bracelets to take them to Taylor Swift concerts to exchange with other people. So they make a ton of bracelets with Taylor Swift song lyrics, and then they take them to her concerts and trade them. They wear them on one arm, and then once they trade, they put the traded ones on their other arm. That way they have fun trading all these colorful and stretchy bracelets from people they don't even know. So I thought that was pretty interesting and a fun fact. So now it's your turn. Do you have any interesting facts or trivia regarding bracelets? If you do, don't forget to leave them down in the comments below. I would love to read them. Okay, you guys, so that was the end of that. I made 2 bracelets. That's all I got to make, bro. 2 full bracelets in 20 minutes, you guys. There we go. We got 2 beautiful little stretchy bracelets. And I was starting to make this one here. And I can go ahead and finish it while I'm talking. Goes to show, I need my glasses though. I need my glasses. Let's see, I'm gonna do 7 inches on this one. Let's see if, otherwise I can take beads off on each side. But what I wanted to do was do this flower here, and then this flower here. Look at the mess I have going on my desk. My goodness. And then I promised to show you guys regarding the crimp. These are Soft Flex crimps. These here that I'm going to use on this project, on this bracelet. So basically you bring it down. So what you're doing is, let me move my phone. We don't need a reminder of how bad I am at making, how slow I am at making bracelets. Here you make the little loop. And then you grab your these Soft Flex crimping pliers. What are they called? They're magical pliers, I think. I forget. I'll put it up on the screen. But you take them and you put it right in. See how it's got like a little, I don't know if that, oh, there it is. Got like a little divot in there. You put your crimp right in that divot, right there, and you squeeze, and it turns into what looks like a little ravioli. I don't know if I'm going to try to zoom that in. Looks like a little ravioli, so you put it on the side of the ravioli. Put the ravioli on its side, and you start squeezing, and then you just start going around and around. So I love these pliers because it eliminates the need to use a crimp cover. You already have your little bead there already made, and then I'm just going to cut a little bit off here. That. Cut that off. Thread, I don't, does it fit? Oh yeah. Nice. So it will fit there. And then we're going to do the same on this side. I know right now the need for affordable beading supplies is necessary, you know, in many cases, or if you shop like on AliExpress for your beading supplies, you are not going to be using Soft Flex. If you use Soft Flex crimps, you'll love them. They're really nice crimps. But again, I understand that some people either already have crimps from other places, or they shop where it's a little more affordable. So if that's the case, then you definitely want to insert another piece of wire. Well, no, that's not. You'll want to insert another piece of wire, so you have 3 little wires going through here, and then you use your crimps. Then you use your magical crimping plier. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It's not going to hold like they do with the Soft Flex. With the Soft Flex crimps. It's like a tongue twister. All right, so that is what it looks like. So I'll be adding an extender chain to this bracelet. So I made, in probably 30 minutes, I made 3 bracelets. I'm gonna have to try to, if you guys like this type of video or this challenge, then I'll do it again another time with another box, and I'll see if I can beat my 20-minute record of making more than 2 full bracelets. I think it's easier to make it with the wire because, like I said, you don't have that flopping of the elastic cord flopping around and trying to put your bead on that elastic cord because it's flopping around. So that might I might next time just use the wire. We shall see if you guys like it. If you do like this type of challenge, then please hit that like button because it helps me know that you enjoyed this type of video. And also, you know, it really makes you stop and think. If you're just watching this just out of fun, which I don't know why. Hopefully you do enjoy my company. If you're watching it out of fun, then you understand. Then it'll give you a better insight as to why handmade items are a lot more, not a lot more, but are definitely more expensive than things that are mass produced that come out of different countries. And like I said, are mass produced compared to a pair of hands, working hands. No, I'm always very grateful that my hands allow me to make beautiful things. But as you can see, it does take time and it does take energy even to do this, even to do simple little bracelets like this. So anyway, these, I was going to, like I mentioned at the beginning of my video, I was going to tell you what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to give these 3 bracelets away to 1 lucky winner. So if you watch this and you want to made it until now and want to participate in that, I want to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching, for subscribing, for supporting my channel. And this is just a little way that I could say thank you for subscribing, for watching, for liking, all the things. So if you do want to participate in the giveaway of these 3 lovely bracelets, then comment down below anything. Just say hi. Even if you just say hi, I will put you in a randomized, I usually use one of those randomizers, I think is what it's called, websites, to pick a name from any of the comments in the comment section, and then I will ask you for your mailing address via Instagram, because we have no DMs here on YouTube, obviously. So via Instagram to mail these out to you. Also, you're going to be starting to see on my channel a little bit of a different content. I'm going to be, going outside and taking you to the craft store with me, maybe doing other crafts that's not beading. I love beading, don't get me wrong, but I'm getting a little bored of making the same beading tutorial videos. There's only so many ways you can string a necklace. So I want to take you guys along more into going to hobby stores, doing different crafts. So expect to see some little bit of different content from me. I hope you'll stick around for this new type of content and that you'll stay with me on this journey. I promise you to only bring you fun, entertaining content that you'll enjoy watching. Even if you don't make that specific craft, but at least it'll be interesting to watch. So stick around. I have a lot more videos. This is why I took kind of a 2-week hiatus. First of all, my dogs have been sick. They both got the runs. Let's just put it nicely that way. Both my dogs. And then I took my pug to the vet and found out that he had a cracked tooth. And so now he's going to need, the poor little guy is going to need surgery. Apparently, do not give your pugs, if you have a pug, do not give them bones. I thought all dogs eat bones. That's why the treats are shaped in bones, because dogs eat bones. Apparently not. Certain dogs should not have bones. So make sure that you check with your vet if you have a fur baby like I do, to see if bones are definitely for them, because apparently they're not for pugs. So now he's going to need surgery to have that tooth removed. So I've been dealing with all that in the past couple weeks. Also, I've been kind of, like I said, feeling a little bored with my content, just these tutorials. I want to make a lot more entertaining videos. So I've been plans for different type of content for you guys that I hope you guys will enjoy, and that you will want to stay subscribed to the channel, or that you'll want to subscribe if you're new here, if you're not subscribed. So again, thank you so much for your support. I hope you enter the giveaway. All the details for the lovely subscription box from Potomac Beads will be Treasure Edition from Potomac Beads, Best Bead Box Treasure Edition. That's a long thing to say. All the links to the box will be in the description box below. In the meantime, I'm going to leave you with a Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition video, my last month, right here or here. But next week, I hope to bring you a new video, and stay tuned for that, and I'll see you then. Bye!